Greetings to all of you. Honorable Chancellor of the Global Cyber University, Dr. Ilchi Lee, the hosts of this conference, Chosen Media, and organizers of this education conference for the Future Society 2021. I thank all of you for this great opportunity, and I'm indeed honored. The corona pandemic has adversely affected the education system at all levels. It is imperative on all of us in the field of education to think of the steps to be taken to handle such disruptions affecting the teaching learning process. It is apt that this conference is focusing on the innovations to be developed and adopted to address the adverse impacts of COVID pandemic. The Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, part of the Hindustan Group of Institutions based in Chennai, India, is one of the premier institutions in the country. Founded by a great visionary, educationist, and philanthropist, Dr. KCG Varghese, with a humble beginning and a vision to make every man a success and no man a failure. Today, the group serves more than 18,000 students through its varied institutions under its umbrella. The group celebrated its Golden Jubilee in 2018. The Honorable Vice President of India, His Excellency Sri Venkaiah Naidu, was the chief guest for the event. The institution has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC, with A grade and National Board of Accreditation. The university offers courses at undergraduate, postgraduate, and the research level in all branches of engineering, architecture, management, law, liberal arts, and applied sciences. The university has established 14 research centers in emerging areas such as clean energy and nanoconvergence, sustainable technologies, robotics and automation, sensors and process control, autotronics, simulation and engineering design, machine intelligence and data science, networking and cyber defense, and so on. These centers have been established in collaboration with industries and academic institutions from various countries. For example, the Center for Defense Technology Studies was established jointly with Cranfield University, and a tripartite agreement was signed with Cranfield University, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, and MBDA UK. HITS also has partnerships with universities from all over the world with very strong linkages in research, staff and student mobility, twinning and dual degree programs. More than 400 research scholars have registered for the research programs at the Hindustan University and have been able to get funding from various international and government funding agencies. Over 150 patents have been filed by faculty and students of the Hindustan Group of Institutions, and 20 patents have been granted, out of which 14 are international patents. 108 have been published. Since the onset of coronavirus, students are staying at home and continuing their educational life from a single place. This has caused a downward spiral in their learning curve. To fight this, different institutions are using a different kind of medium to impart education to their students so that their learning doesn't come to a halt. E-learning has been on the rise during the pandemic and is being heralded as the future of education. However, while online pedagogy does a great job of supplementing face-to-face education, it does not serve as the latter's replacement. This holds especially true in a developing economy such as India for several reasons. In the rural and remote areas, the non-availability of sufficient bandwidth and choice of platforms on the digital media have impacted the learning adversely. In spite of the fact that COVID-19 has created an adverse impact on learning among student population, it has created many opportunities. The education institutions have opted to strengthen their knowledge and IT infrastructure. Creative strategies are needed to be developed to ensure all children must have sustainable access to learning. The Government of India and different stakeholders of education have explored possibility of open and distance learning by adopting different technologies to cope up with the present crisis of COVID-19. The main drawback of the online education is that the digital medium can't replace or replicate the interpersonal interactions that schools facilitate by bringing together children from different backgrounds and cultures. In fact, they only widen the divide amongst society. In essence, they act as a melting pot of ideas and perspectives that serves to broaden the learner's perspective. Interacting with their peers between classes also helps students develop social skills essential to their holistic growth and development. Another aspect is that of equitable access. India is infamous for its wealth gap. A 2020 Oxfam report highlighted how the country's richest 10% own almost three-fourths, 74% of its wealth. This means of the 320 million learners calling India home, a significant percentage does not have the same access to digital facilities as their more privileged peers do. This disparity is further complicated by the digital divide between urban and rural India, leading to issues with consistency and quality of learning. COVID 19 has accelerated the adoption of digital technologies to deliver education. Educational institutions moved toward blended learning and encouraged teachers and students to acquire technology and be digital savvy. Soft technology, online webinars, virtual classrooms, teleconferencing, online exams and assessments became a common phenomenon where otherwise we might have merely defined them or they might have come into practical use a decade or later or more. The challenges faced by COVID 19 helped the faculty of Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science to master tools used in online teaching and learning and help them prepare high quality study material which are innovatively delivered online, bridging the gap of traditional face to face teaching and learning. Our students embraced the shift to online learning and improved their performance and strengthened their ability to learn independently. The background of signing a credit transfer with the Global Cyber University has been a great step forward, a path-breaking initiative, and the Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science has always been a forerunner in having collaboration with universities across the globe. The collaboration was aimed at internationalization at home and giving an international experience to the students through mobility. Due to the pandemic, the mobility of students and faculty has been affected because of travel restrictions. Since Global Cyber University mainly offers courses online, Hindustan has signed an agreement for offering brain education meditation and other courses to the students with credit transfer facility. The times that have been never dreamt of, the pandemic times which blow around the globe, leaving no space untouched. They certainly have left a very memorable impact in the field of education. By the end of March 2020, the pandemic was everywhere, resulting in the closure of most schools, colleges, and universities across India. These difficult circumstances, which are beyond normal experience, led to stress, anxiety, and a feeling of helplessness in all. To help the students to overcome the stress, we introduced the Brain Education Meditation course offered by the Global Cyber University as an online course for a set of students. Brain Education Meditation combines Korean traditional meditation with brain science as a means to improve stress management and emotional coaching and promote self development. Brain education meditation consists of an explanation of the scientific theory by an expert and step by step practical guidance by a meditation trainer. This course has helped our students to develop their brain capacity physically, emotionally, and mentally during the corona pandemic, who are restricted to their homes to manage their stress and promote self development. The students will now explain how the brain education meditation course has benefited them.
Hello, my name is Mufaddal Lokhanwala. I am from the Engineering Department of Aeronautical from Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, India. I got this wonderful opportunity to participate in the Brain Education Meditation program. This program created a great impact in my life in the situation of pandemic. I was frightened, nervous and stressed that what will happen now. And in that, this education of brain meditation helped me to control my mind and my body to face the challenge. The program was very precise and clear that from the step 1 to the step last, to attain the brain mastery by first sensitizing it, versatalizing it, refreshing it, integrating it, and at the last, mastering it. We used to have very interactive classes every week with different forms of meditation. The study materials were very informative and productive for learning. Apart from that, our mentor, Ma'am Kinju Ma'am, she used to have a very smiling face every time and motivating by asking everyone and helping them in our live classes. Thank you so much, ma'am, for helping us out. At last, I am grateful to Hindustan University for nominating me to participate in the Brain Education Meditation program. Thank you.
I thank the organizers of this conference, especially Dr. Ilchi Lee, the Chancellor of Global Cyber University, for inviting me to give this address. And I'm sure this program will go to greater heights and also serve as an important tool of stress management and self-empowerment for the students, both at Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science and across many other institutions who are partners with the Global Cyber University. I thank you all for this opportunity. Thank you.